So you want to get in the back of your F-150, right? You open the door, and no, it's not locked. It fails. So Dorman here makes a product. Comes in this box. There's the part number. It's a door cable repair kit. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever seen. I've already fixed the other door. I'm going to work on this one today. The box comes with these wonderful instructions. You're going to love this. That's it. Need help? Give them a phone call. So that's all you're going to get for instructions. So I hope this helps out. These are the parts. There's 4 ends, and these duplicate the cable ends of the OEM cables that come inside those doors. You can see you just clean up the end of that cable that's all been deteriorated and slip it inside of that, and then this fits into the retainer of the door lock or the door handle mechanism. So we'll show you how all that works. Right now I got to get this door apart, and then I'll come back to you.